can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's all about some new crochet hair that I did install. I have been wearing this hair for going on 3 weeks. I know that is unheard of for me. I barely wear a style for 1 week, let alone 3. But I really have fallen in love with this hair. It's so beautiful and it's so easy to maintain, and I believe that's the reason why I've been wearing it for so long without changing it, because I just love how easy it is to style. And even after I style it, I love how it looks on the 3rd day, 4th day, even a week in. It still looks so good, and it's not too much maintenance for me or too many products that I need to use in order for it to look good. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this install, how what this hair is, all the details on this hair and how I got this beautiful look, then definitely keep on watching. So today's video is all about some new crochet hair. So this is from a company that I've worked with in the past, so I'm super excited to work with them again. This is from HOTBRAIDS, and they did send over a package. I think this is all the stuff that I'll need to do my crochet. So they did send over a crochet hook, edge control brush, and of course a rat tail comb. And they're the best. Oh, I love these reusable bags, and they are the perfect size. I take them with me to the market. I love that they're black. And here's the hair. Yay! Okay, so it looks like I have 3 bundles, 4, 5 bundles. Okay, I love the curl pattern on this hair. I love the coils at the end. When you see this on the hair, you know when you revive the curls and moisturize the curls and define them, they're going to be really beautiful and coiled at the ends. Okay, I can already see that the thread holding this together is much finer. It's not as thick of a thread that I'm used to, which I like. It makes it a lot less obvious. I'm going to do a braidless crochet. I haven't done a braidless crochet in a very long time. I kind of forgot about it, but I'm like, let me do one to show you guys how you can do a crochet style if you don't know how to braid. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this install. Here is my hair. I didn't bother washing it or doing anything like that because I knew I was just going to slather edge control and gel all over it, so there's no need for it to be clean. So I went ahead and split it from the front and the back. And since this is a braidless style, but my hair is cut into a very short bob, I had to put anchor braids in the back because my hair is too short to pull into a ponytail in the back. If your hair is long enough, this can be completely braidless for you. If my hair was longer, I could just pull it in a ponytail, but I knew that it wouldn't be secure enough to do that. So you can absolutely skip this step of the braids if you don't know how to braid or if your hair is long enough for a ponytail. So then I went ahead and split the front in half because I knew I wanted this to be versatile and I wanted to have a middle part and 2 different side part options. So I did a small section in the front right next to the middle part. I added a bunch of edge control, like so much edge control, you guys. I used 2 black rubber bands to secure the section, and I added some hairspray to make sure it stayed in place. And then I split the section again because this was going to be my second parting option. And then I added more edge control, added more rubber bands, smoothed it down with a fine tooth comb, added the rubber band to hold the section, and then sprayed it again. Just repeated that step with all the sections on this side, and then repeated it again on the other side, and then secured the back of my hair the same way with edge control and rubber bands. I also took some hair out for my baby hairs. So once I got everything secure, I just went ahead and started adding in the crochet. This is about a pack of crochet hair, and it came out so pretty. I'm like already loving it. And now I'm going to show how I do the crochet. So I just find the area that I want to crochet into, put the crochet hook underneath the hair. Go ahead and loop the hair through and secure it with a knot. And here's another image of how I do that. Now you can always just do the regular crochet like I just showed there, or you can do the invisible knot crochet where you pull it through, you loop it through one time, and then you split the hair in half and loop half of the hair through. And that's going to give you an invisible knot. Once it's done, I went ahead and secured it again with more hairspray just so that it was nice and tight. And then I added some oil sheen to take all that white cast away from the edge control. If your edge control turns white, you can always just spray oil sheen and it will help that to go away. Grabbed a baby hair brush, teased out the front of my hair just to disguise where the parting space is. Added some small pieces of hair after I cut away the thread area. Did the invisible knot technique and went ahead and used the edge control brush to blend the edges to make it look more seamless and more natural. Grab my water bottle and my leave-in conditioner as well as my mousse and sprayed all that down. Went ahead in with my dimming brush to detangle the hair and define the curls. Then used my Conair diffuser to go ahead and make those curls pop and to dry the curls in place. All the products I'm using here will be linked in the description box down below, and there will also be links in the video that you can click to check out the products that I used. Alright, so you guys just checked out the install. This is the end result, you guys. I did add layers to the hair. I wasn't able to film that, but you can see how I kind of did the layers. I just kind of did a sliding cut just straight down, and then added a few layers throughout the middle. Yeah, braidless crochet. I'm loving how the braidless is looking. This is 3 weeks in. Definitely recommend when you do braidless crochet to wear it a little longer because it just looks more and more natural as time goes on. I love the fact that there are no braids, so it just looks really natural. You can see the parting area looks so natural. There's no cornrows. You don't need to know how to braid or cornrow to achieve this flawless style. And don't think because it's braidless it's not secure. I've been rocking this hair for 3 weeks, so it is very, very secure, especially if you do your foundation correctly. And if anything starts to get loose, these bobby pins are your best friend. I love these bobby pins because they are very, very seamless and invisible. You can literally just slide it in anywhere where one of your knots or one of your areas is not as secure as you'd like it to be. Slide it in. You cannot see it, but you have definitely secured your crochets anywhere where it feels loose, okay? To my edges, because my edges are a little bit cray-cray right now, because I have not laid them down. I'm just gonna brush my edges back. You don't need a lot of edge control, but you know, just give it that polished look. And finishing touch will be our hair polisher. You want your hair to have a nice healthy shine and a nice smell. And this is the end result of our braidless crochet. I haven't done one of these in years, but I think I'm totally back on it because shoot, this is a lazy girl style right here that I am here for. Yes, I love it. And let's go ahead and show the parting space. And when you add those layers, it really does give a great look when you part the hair. So cute. Love it. So very versatile, tons of options. Love this look and this style. Highly recommend this hair. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes, sis. I think it's gonna work out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We are at 99K, all right? We are literally on the cusp of 100K, all right? And I want to get my play button. Yes, I do. I do. I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years and yeah, I'm ready. So help me out, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.